I'm trying to build the biggest photography event in the world, and I honestly believe I can do it. This is my first time saying that out loud, something that's been in my head for a while. Um, and so it kind of feels good to put it out there into the world and, kind of let people know what my intentions are. If you're just kind of, if you haven't been following along, you're just seeing me for the first time. I've been doing events here in Sacramento, Northern California, and actually other parts of the world for the last probably 15 years. I started doing events under a group called Sac in like 2011 and switched over to doing events for Good Inc., my own photography community, in 2014. I've been doing events the entire time. I've been doing photo meetups, road trips, expeditions, workshops, anything photography related. I've been doing it. So I have a ton of experience doing photography events here in Sacramento. I've done them in all over California, San Francisco, Oakland, Santa Cruz, San Diego. I've never actually done one in LA somehow. Done multiple events in New York, and I did a photo meetup in Spain, actually in Madrid, Spain. So I have a ton of experience doing photography events. I managed an event called Good Tuesdays that ran for 10 years. That was an absolutely insane event, especially pre-COVID. We did 15 consecutive meetups every Tuesday for up to like 8 years. Then I kind of slimmed the event down after that. But tons of people, man. You're talking about 150 to 200 people per event for 15 consecutive weeks. Like, the numbers were insane. So I'm saying all this to say I have a ton of experience doing events. I have a really big community and network that I've built over the years, not just here in Sacramento and Northern California, but I mean all over the country. I'm doing an event now called the Good Inc. Summer Photography Camp. So it's essentially similar to the Good Tuesdays event that I did, just consolidated. So instead of doing 15 consecutive events for 15 weeks, we're doing 7 consecutive events for 7 days for a full week. So it's a kind of a play on, like, the old summer camp that you used to go to, but this is for adults, obviously, or used to go to as a kid. This is for adults, and it's all photography related. So we do 7 photo meetups for 7 consecutive days for a week in the summer, working on doing like daytime activations as well. So this year's going to be a big year, but my goal is to build this summer camp into the biggest photography event in the world. My goal is to have people travel from all over the country and eventually all over the world to come here to be a part of this event. That's obviously a long way away, not anywhere near where I think this could get to, but I'm starting the process now. I know it's going to take time. I know it's going to take more experience. I know it's going to take expanding the network, but that's kind of the vision that I have for this event, and that's the goal of this event. So starting small, last year I documented the entire thing on YouTube, so if you want to go back and watch it. I've also done an event a video explaining the event a couple weeks ago, or previewing the event, I should say. But just to kind of recap, last year we did it. We had 40 people, so not anywhere near the biggest photo event in the world, but we got to start somewhere. And that was my first year doing it. I wanted to keep it small because I didn't want it to get big and out of control. It's a lot of planning. It takes a lot of me kind of running around doing things. So smaller is better. I want to make a good event and then expand on it instead of trying to make a crazy event and having it not go well. So 40 was a solid number last year. Looking to maybe do like 45 to 50 this year, but I don't want to get it crazy. I don't want it to get crazy again this year. This year, last year, and probably next year are still going to be like small years. I'm testing things out. I'm adding some different aspects to the event, and seeing how it goes. And then as time goes on, I'm going to start expanding and making the event bigger, so we can start adding more people to the event. Right now it's just me, so it can really only be as big as a group that I can manage. So like 30 to 40 people per event is like max. Anything beyond that, I don't feel like would be a good experience for the guests. So yeah, last year went really well. I was happy with how everything went. Everything that I wanted to do, I was able to do. I really wanted to do some studio meetups, some outdoor meetups. We kept it kind of portrait photography related. But really it was just about establishing the identity of the event, building a little bit of a culture around the event, and just pulling the event off, proving to myself that I could do it. And so this year, my goal is to expand a little bit, but not a lot, continue to build the culture of the event, do some more portrait related stuff, indoor, outdoor, get a nice mixture of that. But my goal this year is to add the daytime activations, and so I have 4 of them planned. So my vision for it is I want it to be a full day kind of thing. So you come to the area, you go to daytime activations, whether it be like networking opportunities, workshops, those types of things, and then you go to the photo meetup at the end of the day. So that's what I'm working on establishing this year are these daytime activations. I think that's going to be huge for the event. That's a big way that we're going to be able to build culture, connectivity, and collaboration around the event. And that's a really, really big deal. So I'm excited for these daytime activations. I really don't know how that's going to go. I hope it goes well. We had a few people sign up or like register for the daytime activations. That once you sign up for the event, the daytime activations are free. But hoping to get people to show up to those. Hopefully they go well. Hopefully they add value to people, add value to the event. So we'll see, man. But that's really what I'm focused on this year, is establishing the culture around the daytime activations and really establishing the idea that like, hey, this event is a full day experience, not just the photo meetups and the evening, but really cool things happening throughout the day as well. So that's my goal for this year. Hopefully I can do that and build upon that for next year. Next year I want to start adding at least one day that has 2 separate meetups in the evening, one portrait related and one landscape related, because right now the event is really geared towards portrait photography, but I want to add some landscape photography aspects to the event as well. So it's a well-rounded photography event, not just focus on portraits and models and studio shoots and those types of things. So that's the goal, man. Gonna work towards it, gonna work hard to kind of build this out. Eventually I'll probably need to get some help. We're working on the team right now. Shout out to Abe, Marcus, and Johnny. They've been huge for me. They were huge for me last year. They're gonna support this year as well. So yeah, that's just putting it out here in the universe. That's my goal, man. I really believe with my experience, with the community that we've built, what we've kind of established so far, and the direction that I'm planning on going, I think potentially we could build one of the biggest photo events in the world, that people travel from all over to come here as a destination to be a part of the best photography event happening in the world, like WPPI type of situation. So it's a long shot, but I'm going for it, man. Like, why not us? Why not here? I mean, all the pieces are in place to do something really special. So shooting for it. We'll see kind of where we end up, where we land up. But I'm putting that out there, putting this out here so that you guys can kind of get an idea and a feel for what I'm working towards. But also I'm just putting it out there in the universe and kind of seeing where it ends up. And maybe one day we'll look back on this video and be like, oh wow, yeah, he really did it. So, I don't know. We'll see. But that'll do it for this video. Stay tuned for more. I'm gonna have a ton of behind the scenes content for the summer photo camp coming up here, because that's happening very soon. So stay tuned for a bunch of that, and as well as other stuff coming on the channel. So I appreciate you guys watching. See you on the next video. Let's get it. Peace.